green on the back side. All right, we got 4 greens. And here we go. We're back in racing action. We lost a couple. You'll see that the wrong car, which is the wall this far up. The red and blue car that just had the fire, but he might get knocked off. You never know what's going to happen out there. Looks like we're down to about 2, 4, 6, 7 cars. Sooner or later, they do have to start using the front of the car. You'll see down to the 101 is missing an entire left rear wheel. This is off the automobile completely. But he's still able to run around because he has 6 brakes, and that's kind of like a sweat in the winter time, and he's able to continue. Everybody on the right-hand side of your screen is still competing, and you'll notice the wall's got himself free. The wall's back in competition. Looks like we're down to about 5 right now. You're 2 away from the money, boys. 2 away from the money. There's 5 vehicles in competition. Well, I guess the 101's technically on the clock, but technically 6. 101's not making any contact though, not moving anymore. Step puts him on the clock. That being said, we have 5 that are moving. And I think the 57's about to get himself on the clock, and he's not going anywhere. Barely. And he gets himself off. Cipra trying to do something in that white car.
Fire. Good fire.
And red coming out. We have another fire. It's right here on the pickup truck in the center. You can see the flames coming out of the hood. A little bit of a hot dog fest. He'll jump out of that. Matt Lineker from Linesville, Pennsylvania, jumping out of that car. Thank you, man. How about an applause for Matt there? He ran until she blew it up. Generally on small fires, we'll let them try to fire them up to run them again, but on the big ones, they're pretty much done. So now we're at about 4 cars left. I think DeWalt's still in the game on the left. The half-pint Cipra's still in the game. The 420 is still in the game. That's Tyler Gill. And the 101 of Nick Young, he's still in the game. The 196 is still in as well. But I think that's it. Usually these little timeouts sometimes hurt him because they're trying to keep them running. All they do is get hotter and hotter and hotter. Once you get down to the last couple cars, it'll be the one that made the hit the last. We'll obviously keep you up to speed on that. I'd like to thank the East End Fire Department for being on scene. Those guys are handling it. They're doing it today. So far, we've been 2 for 2 on those boys. All right, track appears clear. I don't see anybody out there, so as soon as we get greens on the corners. Yep, we got 4 greens. And here we go, 4 greens. We're back in the racing action. Looks like we have 5 remaining. Somehow they're going to have to figure out a way to touch each other. You look at DeWalt over here, you have to figure out a way to get down here to where the other cars are so we can make some contact. If you have a favorite or you have an enemy, cheer them on or boo them on. That's what you're here for, to have some fun. They're here to tear up some stuff. Now it's starting to look like more like a battle of snails. But somebody's going to have to win. The 196 is on the clock. 196 is on the clock. That means he's got 1 minute to get it fired up and make some contact. We try to be a little bit lenient with the guys. We know they build them. They want to wreck them and give as much opportunity to do that as possible. These guys have been pretty good about the driver's door hits, but it will happen from time to time. Young in the 101 is on the clock. DeWalt in the 04 is on the clock. So we got the 04 on the clock, the 101 on the clock, the 196 on the clock. Jesse Cipra, the showboat in the half pint, still doing damage in the grocery, getting half pint white van. And Tyler Gill hanging on in the 420, that gold yellow thing. That thing. Oh, Young got it working. Young got it fired in the 101, but he's got to get out and hit somebody now. Not just get it running, you got to hit something. You see him trying to get free over there. He's got it moving. All right, he's back in the game. They're making contact, and now the 420, Tyler Gill is on the clock. And he's stuck over there on the far side, not hitting anything. So the 196 is officially out. The 04 is officially out. We're down to the final three. You got the 101, the half pint, and the 420. So Tyler Gill at 420, Nick Young in the 101, and Jesse Cipra in the half pint. And the white clock. Those are your top three. The 420 is about to expire. He just expired. The 420 will be third. Tyler Gill in the 420 will finish in third. It's down to these two, ladies and gentlemen.
Jesse got a fire.
Nick Young in the 101, Jesse Cipra in the half pint. The red flag comes out. They are checking for a fire. We don't know that we have one. We're just checking. Hey, we saw a little hot dog flare and then it went away, so we're just making sure. We always go on the side of safety. So Tyler Gill will finish third and get a third place trophy and money from Pennsylvania. So we're up to the showboat. Jesse Cipra in the half pint and Nick Young in the 101. They say no fire. They're going to let him continue. We've got two cars left. It's going to be those two. It's ultimately going to be whoever makes the last hit. They're nose to nose, as you can see. I see greens in the air. We're going to cut them loose. Here we go. We're back on the way. The white car made the last contact. Jesse Cipra doing the pushing. And Cipra has lost his radiator. He sees steaming and now jacked up. Nick Young. And the 101 makes some contact. That's a tie. They both made contact. That won't happen forever. They're still both making contact. How many people like the black car? Number 101, Nick Young. How many letting the show play? The half-right of Jesse Cipra. Well, some fans preach. You'll notice our safety gear, sleeveless shirt. Never understood that. But it's okay. Half pint doing the damage right now. Young's still running. Gotta find reverse. Gotta find reverse. No reverse. Oh, he's stuck. He's stuck. Half pint sitting there waiting. Half pint made the last thing. Nick Young trying to get it to go. Nick Young, you gonna do it, baby? You got 1 minute. You got 1 minute. Make it happen. He is on that clock. Stop, they say he's done. Nick Young, the 101 will come in second from Conway, Pennsylvania. And your winner from Williamsville, Ohio, the half-pint Jesse Cipra. Everybody who did cash and did the trophy, top two, top three, come on up here to the tower. We got your trophies waiting for you. So if you're in the top three, you can come up right this very moment and collect your trophy right here at the announcer stand. We'd like to thank the backhoe owner and driver, Kyle Selden, for helping us out tonight. Thank you, Kyle.